are most welcome, my dear students of class 9. At first, I am introducing with you. I am MD Abdul Majid, Assistant Head Teacher, Golbatan Secondary School, Magora Sodor Magora. Subject Unit 2nd paper, Unit 6, Lesson 2, Present Perfect Continuous Tense. Look at the pictures and try to understand, my dear students. The horses have been running for an hour. Look at the picture and try to understand. The horses have been running for an hour. It has been raining since morning. The action of the verb has been going on at present. These two examples are present perfect continuous tense. Now we are going to learning outcomes. You will have learned what present perfect continuous tense is, learn the structure of present perfect continuous tense, learn the uses of present perfect continuous tense. Look at the pictures and try to understand. At first, mother has been cooking curry for an hour. They have been playing football since morning. The boy has been reading in this school for 2 years. The girl has been reading the Holy Quran since morning. Now we are going to what is present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense indicates that the action has been going on for a period and is not finished yet. Structure at first subject plus auxiliary verb have been or has been plus as an principal verb present form plus ing plus object or other extension plus since or for plus time. Since point of time. Since will be seated point of time and for will be seated period of time. Evaluation, fill in the blanks by using present perfect continuous tense. Number 1, the man dash in the garden for an hour in the bracket principal verb work. Number 2, the students dash in this garden since 2014. Principal verb in the bracket read. Number 3, I dash a letter for half an hour. Principal verb in the bracket write. Number 4, his mother dash from fever for 7 days. Principal verb in the bracket suffer. Number 5, dash you dash in this village for 5 years. In the bracket principal verb live. Homework, write 5 sentences by using present perfect continuous tense. Thank you very much, my dear students. Let us finish here. Remain in the house and be safe.